Mr. Maseko.
Yes, detective.
Before I let you go, because we've been talking here for a long time.
Yes.
You said you don't know anymore, right?
I don't.
Then tell me. Or let's make this very simple. Forget the 3 men.
What?
Forget the insurance. Forget the 4th short. Tell me about the night before your wife died.
Well, nothing much happened. Nothing happened.
Is that your answer?
Well, yeah, that's my answer. Why?
Then explain why your wife called her sister at 7:20 p.m.
But how am I supposed to know? How? I don't know.
She said she was afraid.
Afraid? My wife is an emotional person, man. But she said you guys were fighting. Look, we argued.
Really?
We argued
About
money.
money?
Listen, detective. Every couple argues about money.
And 2 hours later, she was dead. How do you explain that to me?
Besigqibelene ke nalomfazi ukuba makangafoneli mntu. Nalamajita benoxelela uba angambulala unkosikazi amoyikise nje. Kodwa bendiyazi uba angambulala. UThixo makandincede ngeli xesha.
Mr. Maseko, I need you to focus here. I want you to focus here with me.
Listen, detective.
My wife wanted to leave me. Why?
So that's why we actually argued.
Is that the reason? Why? I want to know why. Why she left you?
We had marital problems. That's why we were fighting, not about money.
Sibolekeni indlebe kaloku mawethu nasi siqwenga nasebali ngokubhalwa nguLubabalo Magwebu. Sashicilelwa kumaziko okushicilelwa sePowerhouse Media Productions. Balilona elithi Imali yegazi. Khawulonwabele. Okay, Mr. Maseko. I want to show you something. Tell me, do you recognize this man? Do you recognize his face?
I've never seen his face.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Mr. Maseko? I want you to look very carefully.
I said I don't know him.
Take your time.
I don't know this man. Okay.
His name is Sibusiso Ndlovu. Does it ring a bell now? I'm sure you can forget his face, but you cannot forget the name. Do you know Sibusiso Ndlovu?
I don't know him. Why must I know this man? I told you I do not know him.
Really? He was arrested yesterday. You know that? He was arrested for an unrelated robbery. But when detectives searched his phone, they found your number and the message. But you say you don't know him.
What message
You tell me.
What message? What message are you talking about?
Okay, this man knows you. He knows you very well. He even knows your wife. He even knows where you stay. So you better tell me what you know about Sibusiso Ndlovu. And we are talking about the man who's going to testify against you in court. Like I said, I've been following this case slowly and silently, and I know everything. I only want you to talk, Mr. Maseko. So focus.
Hayi manichithe ndityiwe ngoku. Kodwa mandingakhawulezi ndinikezele. Ingenzeka lo mcuphi uyaxoka man. Ingenzeka uyabhebheza nje amazinyo. Kodwa what if akaxoki? What if uNdlovu uthethile? What if uNdlovu baxelele yonke into ngemali, indlu, nompu? Bekumele bayikhange benjena yonke lento. Detective, I'm asking this for the last time. I want my lawyer now.
All right, I'll call your lawyer. But before your lawyer arrives, I want to tell you that we found your wife's handbag and there was a note written inside. And that note has your name. And she wrote, he knows everything.
No. She was not supposed to know, man.
No what, Mr. Maseko?
I didn't kill my wife. I didn't kill my wife. I swear.
And you
I
better
didn't
tell
shoot
me,
her.
who killed your wife, Mr. Maseko?
I hired them. I hired them
Say that again? To do what?
to frighten her. She was going to expose me.
Expose you for what, Mr. Maseko?
The money.
What money?
The 15 million rand.
Okay, go on.
The policy wasn't supposed to be 15 million. I changed it.
Why?
Because I was drowning. I was drowning in debt. Everything was falling apart. My business was collapsing. Banks were calling me. People were threatening to kill me. I had nothing. I had nothing left.
So you planned your wife's murder?
No. I planned to scare
I don't
her.
understand this, Mr. Maseko. You hired 3 criminals to scare your wife.
They were not supposed to shoot her, but yet they did. And I didn't know what to do.
Funny, you knew they were criminals, and you knew they were armed, and you knew they coming to your house, and you knew your wife was inside, and you knew there was a chance that she could die.
Oh, bendicinga into yokuba ukulamkela kwami elityala kuza kwenza izinto zibe lula. Ngoku ndisike ndangena kwenye imeko emaxongo. Yazi bendicinga uba le 15 million rand izawukwazi ukundikhulula kweengxaki zam. Yaske yatsho ukundifaka kobona bomnyama. Yadiliza yonke into ebesendiyakhile ubomi bam.
We have also confirmed 3 bank transfers or 3 payments. One was going to Mr. Ndlovu that you said you don't know. One to another suspect. And another one to a third one.
I can explain, detective. Please give me a chance to explain.
All these payments were made from a company account controlled by Mr. Maseko. And the company is Maseko Construction.
I can explain, detective. Just let me explain, please. Just let me explain this.
Mr. Maseko, you don't need to explain.
Oh, Nkosi yam.
Do you know why?
Oh.
Because you've just confessed.
But-
You've confessed.
But I didn't mean for her to die. I didn't mean for her to die.
But you arranged the attack, Mr. Maseko, and accepted the 15 million rand into your account and lied to investigators and blamed the 3 unknown men. Mr. Maseko, you are under arrest for conspiracy to murder and related offenses.
Detective, what about the 15 years you told me about? What about the 15 years?
Mr. Maseko, that was an agreement before you confessed. And I didn't promise you I needed you to confess, and you did not.
Well, bengicinga uba ndiyiplane kahle yonke le nto. Kodwa jonga ngoku. Ndiqhathwe nayo iminyaka emininzi edlulileyo emveni kokusweleka inkosikazi, ndacinga into yokuba eli tyala liyekiwe. Ndiza kuyithini le nto? Uzawuchaza ntoni ebantwaneni? Uzawuchaza ntoni kubazali bam? Ndizawuchaza ntoni kubasebenzi bam xa bephelwe ngumsebenzi? Ndicela ixolo, Thandi, sithandwa sam. Ndicela ixolo, Thandi. Inene, imali yegazi indahlule.
Fumana kaloku eli kunye namanye amabali nokutsala umdla wakho ungaqhagamshelana nathi kumakhasi zonxibelelwano apho khangela iPowerhouse Media SA kuTikTok, Facebook, Instagram nakuYouTube. Ungalibali ukusubscribe apho. Okwangoku sithi kuwe nakuwe enkosi ngendlebe.